Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine in Sandboxels, a fun and creative process. We will go through each step, from gathering your basic ingredients to the final fermentation. It's a rewarding experience to see your virtual vineyard come to life and produce a delightful drink. Get ready to mix, heat, and ferment your way to a perfect batch of Sandboxels wine. To start your winemaking journey, you'll need a few key elements. First, gather plenty of grape. Then, introduce water, sugar, and yeast into your container. Some players also like to add a very small amount of neutral acid to enhance the flavor profile. Remember, smashing the grapes can actually speed up the entire process, so don't be shy. Now for the magic, fermentation. Mix your grapes and yeast thoroughly. To kickstart the yeast's activity, you'll need to apply some heat. Aim for a temperature of about 80 degrees Celsius to encourage the yeast to expand and work its wonders. This crucial step is where the sugar in your grapes begins to convert into alcohol, slowly turning your mixture into wine. Once fermentation is underway, patience is key. Let the process run its course until your mixture has fully transformed into wine. You can experiment with varying amounts of grapes, sugar, and yeast to create different types of wine with unique characteristics. The beauty of Sandboxels is the freedom to explore and refine your recipes, leading to endless possibilities for your virtual winery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.